This is relaxing. So do I wipe it off now? Oh, I got dizzy. Are we done?
Yeah.
So now what do I do?
Are you drinking the thing again?
Oh my god. Do I wipe it off now?
Look straight at me. Look straight at me.
Your reaction?
Okay, hold on. Stand up.
Thank you.
No, where you going?
I was moving back. I don't know what you're doing. That's gonna fall. Okay.
Alright, come on, nice and sharp.
finally started vlogging again.
Huh?
He finally started vlogging again.
Yeah, I don't get my alerts. You know, he puts up new videos. What's going on there?
You're about to have like 4 this week. Oh, I thought you were done.
Get some time real quick.
The nigga snitched because he was asleep. Oye, ¿compramos cámara nueva o qué?
What do you mean?
¿Es una camera?
Where?
No, you had it?
No, we've been here, that shit.
Oh my
That's
God.
that's the vlogging camera.
Huh?
That's the vlogging camera we use.
Like
The
El vlog, el
Tú
vlog,
me estás hablando chino a mí, ¿no?
el vlog. Wait, so when do I wipe it off? When do I wipe it off?
Tomorrow morning.
No, I have to like wipe it off soon.
Baby, this is not like
Ay, sí,
dye
esa salsa que
where
anda usted.
the longer it stays on, the darker
Dale.
it gets. It's not like that.
So I can wipe it off right now?
Es
Yeah, you
Cisco.
can wipe it out. It stains instantly.
So then I should wipe it off right now then.
Get the rag, wet
Should
it.
I have Emily shampoo my face?
Listen, get the rag.
Okay.
Ooey.
She in there. Ooh.
It basically looks like you tatted your eyebrows.
Yeah, so now I don't have to do my eyebrows anymore.
Where's this
That's what
little,
came out.
wait a
It
minute.
looks what?
Little gappy right there. Go ahead. I'll just apply it and then take it out. That one came out really good.
This one's good, right?
Yeah, just that
this
one right
one's
there.
just right there.
Get that little gap.
It looks good.